We are testing our double burner. We're just going to hit power on to the left side. All we did was hit temperature. You can hear the fan going. We're going to shut it off. Give it just a few minutes. Just shut off. We're going to try the right side. No noise. Very quiet. Shutting off. Starting other one again, left side. Just hit temp. All we did was hit temperature. And it back started again. Turn it off. We can do temp on the opposite end and there is no noise.